Now, one more university has announced and released guidelines relating to the UG PG examination for even semester. Now, the University of Allahabad has decided to promote the students of UG second year and PG and professional courses intermediate semesters to the next higher classes without examination. Now, as per the university notification which was given, that the undergraduate second year only and the postgraduate and the professional intermediate semester to be promoted to the next semester without any form of examination. However, for students in the final year and who are in the undergraduate program, the results will be declared based on their previous semester results or else on the basis of the marks secured in the previous classes. However, the university said that they are going to conduct the examination for UG first semester students and for the PG professional first and the final year students. Therefore, as per the notification of the university, it is clear that students of the undergraduate second year, PG as well as professional courses, intermediate semester, there will be no examination and they will be promoted without any examination. For students who are in the final year undergraduate program, results will be declared based on the marks they have got in the previous semester. And thirdly, and it has been said that the University of Allahabad will conduct the examination for UG first year students and the PG first and final year students. So these are the three important updates from the University of Allahabad. And it has been said that the university expects to conduct the first and the final year examination between July and August. And university has also given a detailed guidelines with respect to the promotion rules. Now it has been said that for regular student, the marks will be calculated based on the UG second year marks and a straightway 7% increment in each subject will be given separately. However, they have also added that in case of UG second year marks, 7% increment in each paper separately in case of only BA and BSc. However, it will be the average marks of UG first and the second year and thereafter an increment of 7% for courses like for BCom and BSc Home Science. Therefore, final year students, UG second year marks plus 7% increment in each subject, which will be applicable for BA and BSc. But for BCom and BSc Home Science, it will be the average marks of the first and the second year and thereafter a 7% increment in each and every paper based on the average marks. Further, it has been said that if in any subject there are two papers in UG second year and the third paper in the UG third year, then an average of the two papers will be awarded as the marks in the third paper. Now what it means, say for example in the second year, if you have two papers and you have got 50 and 60 in those two papers, and if you have three papers in UG third year, then the average marks of 50 plus 60 in the second year paper will be taken as the marks for the third paper in the third year. The University of Allahabad is given a very complicated promotional rules. Fourthly, it has said that if in any subject the maximum marks is 50 in the second year, and say for example if it is 75 in the third year, then a simple scaling process will be applied. Which means to say, if you have got 25 out of 50 in the second year, then out of 50 if you have got 25, then out of 75 that particular marks required to be calculated for third year. The highest marks awarded will be the maximum marks minus 2. That means if it is out of 50, 48 can be the maximum marks. And the lowest marks will be awarded the pass marks. That means there will be no supplementary or backlogs. And it has been said that the viva voce, practicals, training marks and others and the dissertation which requires to be given to be taken care by the concerned department internally, and that particular mark stands. Now as I said before, that the University of Allahabad to conduct the exam for the UG first year students and the PG and the professional first and the final year students. So a detailed examination guidelines has also been given. Referring to the abpeducation.com report, the exam guidelines have been clearly highlighted. It has been said that students must join a Google Classroom via a link to be given by their centers for their respective papers on or before they require to register by 12th of May 2021. Now for verification, the students require to upload the scanned copy of their admit card in the Google Classroom itself by 14th of May. Now they have discussed about the examination process. Each examination will be held for 2 hours. Now to submit the answer sheet online, that means it's a theory examination, student will get an additional 30 minutes time. Now why this 30 minutes time? Because the students require to upload the scanned copy of the answer script in the designated Google Classroom itself. And if they fail to do so, then they can mail it in the email ID. So they require to convert it into PDF and then to upload. So student required to use A4 size paper, and max 12 pages can be used. So a maximum of 12 pages can be used, because there will be only 4 questions which you require to answer, and to be answered in a fresh page, which is the A4 size paper. And after completion of the exam, it has been clearly said that the scanned copy in form of PDF required to be uploaded. The file name also has been given. It has to be the Allahabad University _roll number _paper code. Therefore, University of Allahabad has given a detailed guidelines with respect to the examination process which they are going to conduct in the coming few months. It has been very clearly said that the UG second year and the PG and professional courses intermediate semester, there will be no examination and they will be promoted. However, it has been said that for the students in the final year undergraduate program, results will be declared on the basis of the marks they have scored in the previous semester, only UG final year. However, the university is going to conduct the examination for UG first year students and PG professional first and final year students. And this is supposed to happen, this examination is supposed to happen in July-August 2021. This is an important information which I felt like sharing with you all. Moreover, any videos relating to education, examination and other processes, you will get updated information from this channel. So would request viewers to be associated with this channel. Till then, thank you, take care.